Do you know that your mistakes can become your greatest power in English? Yes, right now you're holding the key. Stay with me, because in the next few moments I'll show you how every mistake you make can push you forward instead of holding you back. Most people think mistakes mean failure. But what if your mistakes are secret teachers waiting to help you speak better? Are you ready to see how powerful you already are? I remember the first time I tried to speak English in public. My voice was shaking, my words came out wrong, people laughed, and for a moment I wanted to hide. But then I asked myself, why do children learn so fast? They make mistakes all the time, yet they don't stop. They smile, they try again, they keep going. If children can do this, why can't we? What if every wrong word is just a step toward the right one? What if every mistake is proof that you're brave enough to practice? Here's the first step. Before you speak, pause for 1 second and think in English. Close your eyes and imagine the sentence in your mind. Use the words you already know. Don't translate from your language. Just picture the English words like small blocks. For example, instead of thinking in your language order, see the English order clearly. I go to the market. Simple, clear. You don't need big words, you just need small steps. Can you try it with me right now? Think of a simple action. Say in your mind, I drink water. Then open your mouth and say it softly. Feel the words flow. The second step is repetition. Say the same sentence many times. When you make a mistake, smile and try again. Mistakes show you where to improve. If you say, he go to school, that mistake is a guide. You learn, he goes to school. Now you know it forever. See how easy that is? Mistakes are like lights on your road. They show you the next turn. The third step is to speak even when you feel shy. Ask yourself right now, will I wait until I'm perfect, or will I grow today? Every successful English speaker you know made hundreds of mistakes. They are strong today because they practiced yesterday. When you speak and make a mistake, you are practicing, you are learning, you are winning. Every small sentence is a brick. Every mistake is a teacher. The fourth step is to give yourself kind words. Say, I am learning. I am growing. Your brain listens to your voice. When you speak kindly to yourself, you learn faster. So when you feel nervous, put your hand on your chest, take a deep breath and say, it's okay to make mistakes. I am getting better every day. Feel the power of your own voice. Right now, think of one mistake you made the last time you spoke English. Smile at it. Say thank you to that mistake. Then make a new sentence. Speak it. This is how you turn mistakes into English power. This is how you grow without fear. This is how you speak with courage. If you feel inspired, like this video. Comment your biggest English mistake below and follow for more English learning content. Together, we will turn every mistake into power and make English your friend. I'll see you in the next video.